Hi, I'm Maxi. Welcome to a new episode of Fitness Kitchen. Today we are gonna make a protein pancake with unsweetened yogurt and coconut. This recipe is without any sugar or oil and is packed with protein. So, if you happen to be tired of just drinking your protein powder, try use it to make this. Now, let's get started. First, let's mix the batter base. The key ingredient is this, unflavored whey protein powder. We need 20 grams of it. Then, 15 grams of almond flour. This is the amount of around 10 nuts. This is how much of the healthy nutty fat you need in a day. It actually helps you burn fat, and it makes the pancake taste better. But if you are allergic to nuts, you can replace it with normal wheat flour. Your pancake will still taste good. Okay then, 35 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. These 4 ingredients combined are my batter base for all protein pancakes. And for this one specifically, we need 4 grams of equal sweetener. This is an aspartame-based sweetener, no calories. I now use it to replace sugar. And 1/8 teaspoon of salt to amplify the sweetness. Now we mix all of them thoroughly. When it's well mixed, set it aside. Now we can prepare the liquid. 85 milliliters of whole milk and 5 milliliters of lemon juice to balance the milk's flavor. Now in total we have 90 milliliters of liquid. Mix the liquid with powders and stir. After it's nicely mixed, pour it onto a plate. Now we need to preheat it a little to make it set a little bit so that it can hold everything we will put on it. Put the pot holder under the plate. This will make it easy for you to get it out of the microwave. Okay, microwave it at max power for half a minute in a normal 900 watts microwave, or for 1 minute if your microwave is a weaker 700 watts one. After the preheating, the batter already set a little. Now we can put the yogurt on it. We need 3 generous tablespoons of unsweetened yogurt. Scatter all over the pancake. Be careful not to dump a whole spoon at once. That way you would break the batter. And we are not gonna sweeten the yogurt here, because we need some pure sourness in this part. We will make the other parts sweet in contrast. Okay, after the yogurt, scatter 1 tablespoon of coconut flour unevenly all over it. They will form a loose crust after cooking. And if you have some coconut chips, you can scatter a little. This will contribute to the visual. And finally, dust another 1 gram of equal sweetener to cover everything in sweetness. Great, now it's ready for cooking. Microwave it at max power for 6 minutes in a normal 900 watts microwave, or for 8 minutes if your microwave is a weaker 700 watts one. 6 minutes later, our pancake is cooked. Okay, now you can already eat it like this. If you don't mind colors, microwave is a quick way to heat things, but it doesn't brown things. So, to make this pancake perfect, we can now use an air fryer to brown it real quick. To transfer the pancake, first shuffle the edge all around, then you can easily shuffle the whole thing up, put it in the air fryer, heat it at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. And this plate, if you don't want to wash it now, put it on the water. Then it will be easy to clean when you get back to it. Okay, 5 minutes later. It's done, perfectly browned. Look at the layers of things. Okay, now time for the nutrition facts. Each one of these has around 425 kcal of calories, 30 grams of protein, 40 grams of carbs, 16 grams of fat, and 368.5 milligrams of sodium. The coconut flour has formed a loose crust, and the yogurt is there to make everything soft and refreshing. And after the heating, the yogurt has become yogurt jelly. It's not liquidy anymore. Have you ever tried cooked yogurt in a dessert? Now, there is a chance. And that's the recipe of today. I have put all the statistics down below in the description. And if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also, welcome to follow me on Instagram. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Happy cooking. Take care.